Good morning, I'm Luna Monkey. I'm a volunteer on the HTMLCOIN Telegram group. This is the first in a series of tutorials showing you the basics of getting started with a HTMLCOIN wallet. We'll start off on the HTMLCOIN website. We'll visit htmlcoin.com and we'll visit the wallet sections of the website. Feel free to sign up for a newsletter. I'm already subscribed. On the wallet section, you should see a range of wallets that we provide for the various operating systems. I'll choose Windows today, as that's my operating system. They've provided a link to the latest release. Whilst that downloads, just allow Chrome to check that. I'll allow the permissions dialog and the setup process should start. I'll dismiss this browser window. So I'll carry on through this process and I'm going to choose to leave the settings as the default. I find later on that if these are changed, it might be harder to seek help and support from people. If they install their wallet in a different location, then finding it later on might be more difficult. So I'm going to leave all of this as it's listed in the dialog. That's my start menu folder, and we'll let that get through to 100%. Continue through this. On the final page it asks if I would like to run the wallet, so I'm going to do that. We should be presented with a data directory choice. I'm going to leave this as the default too, and I'll show you why in the later videos. This is what's known as app data, this folder here. So if anyone refers to that in the future, I want it to be in the default location just in case I need support later on. I'm presented with a Windows firewall dialog. I'll allow access and we should see that the wallet has loaded. This dialog is known as the sync-in screen. So if anyone refers to the sync-in screen, this is the one that they're probably referring to. It's getting the headers of the blockchain at the moment. That's almost complete. There's a small amount of information there that doesn't really interest or concern me at the moment. It's just telling me the age of the blockchain. Once these headers have synced, it should then calculate the estimated time for the full blockchain to sync. So this is the headers down here, syncing headers, and this is the full blockchain should be calculated here. If that takes a while, I'll fast forward the video. So the estimated time left until sync seems an incredibly high amount. Don't be alarmed by this. This will reduce as the software downloads the blockchain. So we've got over 100,000 blocks left remaining. Each block in HTMLCOIN is 1,250 coins. I'll fast forward this section so you don't have to watch a dialogue sync in. Now that that's finished syncing, you're presented with the overview screen of the HTMLCOIN core wallet. As this is brand new, I have 0 coin count and no transactions. I'll take you through some of the other features of the wallet in later videos. Thanks.